Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to create a evil eye wall decor at zero cost. It's a best out of waste. So let's get started. I have cut out an eye shape from a cardboard. You can take any size cardboard you want to. Here I'm taking this mirror. I'm sure you have seen this mirror. It would be lying around in your house. I'm just marking that shape so that I can draw another eye shape within the eye, which can act like a border. Just keeping it as a reference and creating one. I'm sure you wouldn't have seen this anywhere on the internet yet, so I hope it's a creative idea and you will like it. And please, if you like it, like, share and subscribe and support to continue. And if you create this, please tag me on Instagram. Okay, so I made the second outline. I'm just keeping the mirror back and trying to correct the design. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now I'm taking Fevicryl. You can take Fevibond or glue gun as well and stick the mirror in its shape. Next I'm going to add mixed media paste on top of this, so that it becomes a little harder. You can also mix white cement or wall putty in water and do the same process, or you can simply use white acrylic paint as well. I'm also applying this mixed media paste on the edges as well, so that it covers the rough edges. So like this, on the complete design I'll be applying this and allowing it to completely dry. Next I'm going to take some sticks. This is skewered sticks. You can take even toothpick. Cut it to the desired length. This will act as an eyelash for us. So I'm going to add Fevicryl and then add them and allow it to completely dry. I also added a small thread so that it will help us to hang backside. Once we allow it to completely dry, we'll start the painting work. Just randomly align it and paste it. I'm trying to keep it as uniformly as possible. Even these waste sticks are available at home, I'm sure. So what are you waiting for? You have all the materials? Get started and do this. I have put it up on top of my mirror. It looks really pretty. Now I'm taking white acrylic paint and painting around the eyes. Usually the evil eye will have black, blue and white, only 3 colors in them. It will have 2 blue shades, but here I'm using just one. I also added the loop, if you can see on top. Once that is dried, I am coloring the mirror with blue color, the rim. The inner rim I colored it with white and outer rim I'm coloring it with blue. The mirror is not so smooth. It's a very smooth surface, so you have to apply 2 coats at least and then seal everything with varnish. Yep, it's ready. I added an outline of black color on the eyes. You can make it little more thick as well. So easy peasy, right? See how nice it looks. I hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.